We put the materials on the two grippers respectively. First we cut off the excess with a flat milling cutter. Use a chamfering knife to remove burrs. Continue trimming using a flat milling cutter. Use a ball cutter to polish the bend. Change the tool to a smaller one and continue grinding. Turn over and continue to use the flat milling cutter to cut the rotating mount. The cutter heads are replaced in order from large to small. Clean the burrs of the rotating mount. Just cut and drill the plane and you are done. If you need anything, please contact us. We specialize in making all kinds of fine spare parts.